Tired of your CRM feeling more like a chore than a champion? Let's cut through the CRM clutter and find the right tool to skyrocket your sales. First up, GoHighLevel, a powerful all-in-one platform designed specifically for agencies and marketers. It combines CRM, marketing automation, landing pages, and more all in one place, simplifying your tech stack and streamlining workflows. GoHighLevel shines with its ease of use, extensive automation capabilities, and white label options for agencies. However, its broad focus can sometimes mean it lacks the depth of features in specific areas that specialized CRMs offer. Next, we have Close, a CRM hyper-focused on sales teams closing deals. It emphasizes a streamlined sales process, powerful calling features, and tight integration with email. Close excels at optimizing sales workflows and empowering sales reps. Its no-frills approach prioritizes efficiency, but its lack of marketing automation might make it less suitable for businesses seeking a comprehensive solution. Then there's Hubspot, a popular choice renowned for its robust marketing automation and comprehensive free CRM option. Its strength lies in its inbound marketing capabilities and integrated marketing tools. Hubspot's free version is a great entry point, but its full potential is unlocked with paid upgrades, which can become costly. The vast array of features can also be overwhelming for smaller teams. Finally, Salesforce, the enterprise powerhouse, offers unparalleled customization and scalability. It's the gold standard for large organizations with complex sales processes and data requirements. Salesforce is incredibly powerful, but its complexity and high cost can be a barrier for smaller businesses. Implementation and ongoing maintenance often require dedicated administrators. So, which CRM reigns supreme? It truly depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider your team size, sales process, marketing strategy, and long-term goals. Ultimately, the best CRM is the one that empowers your team to achieve its goals. Do your research, take advantage of free trials, and choose the platform that aligns perfectly with your business.